My name's Tony Daly. I've been at Spallinger Millwright since 2005. We do a lot of structural steel setting. We do a lot of demolition. We put in conveyor lines, production equipment. So basically we're all around construction company. So our structural process is all the steel comes in from the outside. We have a loader that loads up all the tables with whatever I-beams or channel they need.
In the beamline area or saw area, we deal with about 90 to 95% of the structural steel that comes through the shop. My beamline takes care of slotting holes, cutting to length, any kind of mitering that needs done or bevels. My machine is able to take care of that. I do really love the area. The coolest thing about the robot arm is the fact that it can go completely underneath a piece of C-channel or a piece of angle and make the cut or a mark.
This piece of equipment over here is our angle line. We can do 6x6 by ½ inch angle. One operator kind of conveys all the steel from the outside, brings it into his machine, programs where he wants the angles cut at. These guys will cut everything to length, put all the holes in the beams. They'll cope the beams, and they'll convey it down to the next process, which is our structural area.
This is our structural department. We do a lot of schools and work for P&G. We recently completed a project for Airstream. That was 750,000 square foot. Some of the things we use is just a basic welder. We do grinding. We use cutoff wheels and plazas to fab our parts that we need to complete the project.
And that sums up our structural department. We also complete a variety of fabrication jobs on a smaller scale.
We build pressurized vessels. We do a little piping. We build heat exchangers. We also build autoclaves. They do everything from bonding helicopter blades, bonding tires, cooking cans of tuna inside of them, sterilizing medical equipment.
We have a variety of machinery that we use to complete our jobs. We use the pipe bender to form our handrail, ranging from picket railing to stair railing. Then we have a bandsaw that we use to cut our pipe for our particular jobs that we have.
I work in the sheet metal department. So I mostly work with the 230-ton Cincinnati brake press, which is capable of bending metal 10 foot long by 3/8 of an inch thick at capacity.
This is the Titan 8 plasma machine, capable of running 20 gauge up to 2 inch thick materials. Anything thicker than 2 inch, we use the Alpha Torch. It's run with oxygen and propylene gas. It'll cut up to 7½ inches thick. We can cut pretty much any kind of parts that you can program. The parts I cut on here come from the main office. I just download it off the computer and load it to the machine and cut the parts.